I've been managing the erratic shifting of our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica by resetting the transmission control module on a regular basis. I discovered this about 1 year ago, so I thought I'd give you an update on how things are going. Our family has owned this van for 2 years now. The first year of ownership, I was going back and forth with the dealership trying to find a solution to the rough shifting transmission. Even though the vehicle is still under warranty, I never got resolution on there. It seemed like there'd be a temporary fix and it would come right back. Thankfully, I discovered the transmission reset, and that has completely revolutionized the ownership experience of this van. So I've fallen into a pretty regular routine with this van and resetting the transmission control module. About every 3 to 4 weeks, you can notice these shifts slowly getting a little bit rougher. And then I go ahead and reset the transmission control module. And every time for the last year, I've gone back to it shifting properly again, just like when we test drove it on the lot. The interval between needing to reset has not changed. It's not gotten longer. It's not changed. And we go back to the same state every time. So that's a good indication things are not getting worse. It's managing the problem. It's not making it any worse. So 1 year is a pretty good test period. I feel confident in saying this is a long-term fix for this, albeit slightly inconvenient for the owner. And I completely agree that these should be recalled and Chrysler should have a permanent fix for them. But I doubt that's going to happen. So as an owner, I'm taking control and making it work. Now, before I discovered this transmission reset, which I won't call a fix, we'll call it a mitigation to the problem, obviously I had a lot of concerns about the long-term reliability of the drivetrain. After a year of managing this issue with resetting the transmission control module, I do not have those fears anymore. Knowing about the issue, would I go into buying one, a used one now? Maybe not. I'd probably look at other brands that I wouldn't have to reset that on a regular basis. But since I have this van and the used car market is bonkers right now, the new car market is bonkers, for the foreseeable future, I'm going to hang on to this van and keep driving it. I've got 76,000 miles on it right now, and I do not have any immediate concerns about the long-term reliability of the vehicle. Standalone video on the reset procedure, but just in case you happen upon this video and haven't seen that one, I'm going to review it right now. The procedure to reset the transmission computer and clear those adaptions that are causing the rough shifts is pretty straightforward. What we're going to do first is cycle the ignition to the run position while keeping our foot off of both pedals. We do not want the vehicle to start. So keep your foot off the pedals, cycle to accessory, and then run. And then we're going to take our foot and fully depress the throttle pedal all of the way to the floor, and we're going to hold it there for at least 10 seconds. Once our 10 seconds has expired, we're going to keep our foot fully depressed on the throttle pedal, and we're going to cycle the ignition back to off. Once it's off, we can take our foot off of the throttle and leave the vehicle sit for 2 minutes. It takes about 2 minutes for that transmission computer to reset. Once that is done, you can drive the vehicle normally, and hopefully it improves your shifting experience. Thank you for watching. I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Adios.